Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and today in this video, let's see how to make a pin cushion for Women's Day gifting or Mother's Day gifting. We are going to make a beautiful and colorful bird motif pin cushion in this video with detailed information on making it. Do watch the video till the end to see the step-by-step procedure of making a tabletop pin cushion and a wristband pin cushion. Friends, let's start making the pin cushion by taking a 8" by 8" square cotton fabric. We need to wash, dry and iron it before painting. Here we have a bird motif printout half the size of the fabric. We have to trace the motif onto the fabric using a carbon paper. Here our motif has been traced onto the fabric. Let's attach the fabric onto the embroidery ring and start painting the motif. Let's start painting the bird motif by using chrome yellow, pink color and cerulean blue acrylic paint. Apply red color, chrome yellow, burnt sienna and light green for the flower and branches. Apply black color for the outline of the bird on the whole motif and let the base color dry completely. Using off cream color, let's add drop shaped dots on the wings. Using cerulean blue dots for the tail. Use off-white color to highlight the flower petals. Make spiral design with teal blue color. Crimson red for the beak. Highlight the drops with red color and blue color for the wings. And off-white color for the tail. Make flower print with pink and lavender purple using dotting tool or toothpick. Use mint green to highlight the leaves. Here we have painted the bird motif with colorful patterns. Now let's apply water on the outside background of the motif to use wet on wet technique. Let's apply water all over the fabric using a paintbrush. Now let's apply teal blue color over the wet portion, adding little touch of water again to spread the color evenly like a watercolor effect. Similarly, apply mint green over the outside edges as shown and keep it aside to dry completely. Once dry, let's cut the shape into a circle shape measuring 7 inches. Let's do a simple running stitch on the edges as shown. Pull the thread to gather the fabric like a pouch. Fill polyfill inside the pouch made. And tie the thread to make a small cushion. Using the excess thread, let's add stitches around the edges, pulling the fabric together into a flat base as shown. Next, let's take air dry clay and mix both the components, the resin and the hardener together to make a white dough. Flatten it into a 3-inch circle and let it dry. Once dry, let's paint this in any desired color. Here we have already added some design on the edges using a scale on the wet clay. Once dry, apply varnish too. Now let's stick the cushion onto the base made using fabric glue. Here our tabletop cushion is ready. Here is a similar bigger pincushion with another bird motif. Let's see the step by step of this pincushion with picture slides. Now let's take another similar 8 by 8 inches fabric as made earlier to make a wrist pin cushion. We have to make a cushion out of it as shown earlier. Now let's take any metal circle or cardboard circle and cover it with felt fabric or any other fabric. Cut the edges and cover the metal circle as shown. Now let's stick lace over the circle. Here we have to stick the belt first, so we need to remove the lace circle. And stick the belt on the metal circle first. And then stick the lace circle over the belt. And lastly stick the cushion over it. Measuring the wrist, let's stick the velcro strips to fasten the belt onto the wrist. After sticking the velcro, let's wear the wrist pincushion and see. It fits well. The best thing about velcro is that when it will wear off, we can replace it with another velcro strip. Here our beautiful craft of tabletop pincushion and wrist pincushion is ready to use for personal use or for gifting as a handmade gift. Do make this pincushion for a Women's Day gifting or Mother's Day gifting. Thanks for watching.